There's another resource available if you're looking for a shelter or need help with a medical condition. KXLY4's Brittany Paris continues our storm team coverage tonight. She joins us live with a simple number to call for help. Brittany?
Nadine, the Washington Information Network 211 system is activated in times of disaster with trees ripped out of the ground, people's houses seriously damaged, and some people now going on 2 days without power. It's a great resource. Since Tuesday, people at their call center have given information to residents who need shelters, food banks, meal sites, information on tree removal. They're even able to tell you places that have power. They're also able to help with welfare checks. So if you know someone who might be vulnerable, they work with a care team who can check on that person.
When callers call in, to have someone to actually talk to has been huge. People don't have internet. They might have a little bit of phone battery, and so we're able to provide them with really quick information.
Stacy Cornwell says in the last day or two, they've received about 200 calls, 4 times what they usually see for this time of year. But they're just starting to see calls come in, so that number is expected to grow. The 211 call center is open Monday through Friday from 8 to 5, and they have an after-hours team, so if you call later than that, you'll still be able to speak with a person. You can also check their website, win211.org. That's another great resource. And as I mentioned, 211 is activated in times of disasters. The last time we saw a disaster with an impact similar to the storm on Tuesday was that snowstorm we saw back in 2008. Reporting live in Spokane tonight, Brittany Paris, KXLY4 News.